Tokamak Energy is a collection of remarkable people, I would describe it as. We're about 260 people. Over a quarter of those are PhD qualified in areas of fusion science and engineering. We have our base here in the UK, but we also have a subsidiary in the US, Tokamak Energy Inc., and in Japan, which tells a story of the global presence that we now have. At our facility here, just outside of Oxford, is our machine, ST40. It's an incredible device, which in 2022 achieved fusion-relevant temperatures, and that's a 100 million degrees Celsius plasma ion temperature achieved in our operational machine. Not a thing of future fantasy, but actually R&D we're doing here today. And ST40 has more work to do, and we're about to launch a multi-year campaign to address some of the other gaps remaining with this device. Then we need to think about bigger devices as we get to advanced prototypes and pilot plants, and for us that's where public-private partnerships come in. So we're not doing everything ourselves, we're partnering with governments and we're bringing in big corporations to help develop technology around us. We have some fantastic technology ourselves, and we see ourselves as the future designer of the blueprint of a device, incorporating technology where we're world class. Now, one of those areas I would highlight is high temperature superconducting magnets. These are incredible things in their own right. Now, the good news for a business is that's great for our future fusion machines, but we're actually creating a business now called TE Magnetics, taking that into other industries. So that really summarizes Tokamak Energy. We're a technology company at the heart of the system. We're the designer, we're the expert, but we're bringing in big partners to make it happen and roll it out on a global scale. And the prize that we're aiming for is a $10 trillion market for fusion, and a market that will for decades and decades be supply constrained. Demand is massive and it's global. And there are very, very few things you can do where you can say, this will transform humanity in the future, and that's fusion for me.